In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Binance Wallet to BlockDag in just a few easy steps. Grab your phone or laptop and let's walk through it quickly and simply. The first step is to set up your Binance Wallet. If you haven't already, download the Binance Wallet extension for Chrome, Firefox, or Brave. Alternatively, you can use the Binance app on your mobile device. Create a new wallet or import your existing one using seed phrase. Make sure you have some ETH, BNB, or US dollars in your wallet. This will be needed for purchasing BlockDag tokens. To move funds from your main Binance account, use Wallet Direct for smoother, faster transfer. The second step is now to go to BlockDag. Visit blockdag.network and click Buy Now or Connect Wallet on the pre-sale page. From the wallet list, select Binance Wallet. Pop-up will appear asking for connection approval. Click to confirm and link your wallet. Now, select your preferred currency, either Ethereum, BNB, or US dollars. If you have USDT, make sure you are on the Ethereum network and have at least $10 worth of ETH to cover gas fees. Enter the number of BlockDag tokens you want, review the summary, and approve the transaction in your Binance wallet. Now check your dashboard. Once your transaction is confirmed, you'll see your BDAG tokens in your BlockDag dashboard. The tokens will be airdropped to your wallet after the pre-sale ends. To double check your transaction, you can look it up on a blockchain explorer. Always double check the network and wallet address before confirming transactions to avoid errors or loss of funds. That's it. You are officially connected to BlockDag. Thank you for watching this video.